Welcome to Therapy Thursday with Donna. Today, I'd like to offer a suggestion for what you can do if someone you care about is upset. Sometimes what can happen is we get anxious because we want to help them. We want to make the feelings go away for them. We want to solve the problem for them. We wish they weren't upset. But we don't know what to do, and that can make us feel uncomfortable. So I'd like to offer you two suggestions for what you can do instead of telling them not to be upset or trying to make the problem go away for them, trying to stop them from feeling upset. So two things you can do are label the emotion and stay with it. And what that looks like in practice is sitting with the person and comforting them, labelling how they feel. So I can understand you'd be worried. I'd be worried too if I had an interview for a job I really cared about. Or I can understand you feel sad. I feel sad too if my pet died. You're labelling how they feel. You're not telling them you know how they feel. You're just labelling that emotion. So I can understand you'd be worried, rather than don't be worried, don't be sad. I can understand that you'd be worried. I can understand that you'd be sad. So label the emotion or label the upset. If you don't know what the emotion is, just call it upset. I can understand you'd be upset. Comfort them, label the emotion, and stay with it. Let them be upset. Too often, I think, and I've done this myself, but too often in the past I've said, don't worry, don't be sad, because I've been anxious. I've wanted to help them and I wanted to take the upset away. So I've said, don't be sad, don't be worried, it'll be okay, when that invalidates what they're feeling, because they are feeling worried, they are feeling sad. So it doesn't help to say, don't be worried, don't be sad. And actually, that comes from us wanting to take the problem away and wanting the emotion to go away. And really, if someone's feeling something, we should let them feel it. So let them be sad, let them be upset, comfort them. Tell them you can understand why they would feel that way. Stay with them, let them be upset, and label the emotion. So it's label and stay with it. So it's, I can understand you'd be upset, and just comfort them. Don't feel a pressure to try and take it away or tell them not to be upset. So try that. Label the emotion, stay with it, rather than try and take it away, rather than try and solve the problem. When you do that, you'll feel a lot less anxious about being with someone when they're upset, because you'll be able to be with them when they're upset. And you won't feel that pressure to try and take that emotion away from them. So try that. It doesn't work in all situations, and it also doesn't work if we're scared of emotions ourselves and want to make them go away. But I think that's part of a bigger issue, and something that I'm going to talk about in other videos, is this issue of us trying to push emotions away and trying to avoid them, because that causes more problems. Really, if we let them be there, they will come and they will plateau and they will go down again. So we don't need to be as afraid of emotions as we think we do. But try that if you've got someone who's upset. Stay with them, label the emotion, comfort them, rather than try and take it away from them or tell them not to be upset. I hope that helps. Have a good week, and I'll see you again next week. Bye. Be kind to yourself.